Very good morning, dear students. So from today, I will start class 8 maths. I give some notes I will give in the form of video and some in paper. Okay. So we already discussed this chapter. Maybe one exercise we already did in class, right? So 6.1 is almost complete. 2-3 questions we did not complete that I will give now. Okay. So before going to start, let's remind you this brief topic: what is algebraic expressions. So before going to start this, I will recap some points. Okay. So before going to start, for example, two terms, constants and variables. Constant we can say constant, T-A-N-T, constant or coefficient, C-I-E-N-T, coefficient, and variables. There are two terms, constant or coefficient and variables. What are these? Okay, what these terms are? For example, যদি মই লিখিছো ইয়াত 5x square. Here this x square, only this x is variable. We call this x as variable because this will be changed. Variable. Okay, x is variable. Any alphabet letters A, B, C, D, here x is there, so these are variables. Okay, and maths number, these are known as coefficient. C-I-E-N-T, coefficient, or you can say constant number because this is fixed. If this is 5, it is 5 will change the one, but x may change. I can write in place of x 0, 1, 2, any number. It can be any number. X may be any number, right? So that's why this is variable. So this is the concept of coefficient and variable. We already discussed these things in class. So what algebraic expression basically? Algebraic expression is nothing but it is an expression in which there are variables and constants are there. Variables are constants and there with mathematical expressions like plus, minus, into. Any expression which is in the form where one constant, one variable, and along with that some mathematical operations are there. Mathematical operation means plus, minus, into, divide, choose here correct. That will be algebraic expression बोले कौन? Algebraic, उसी को हम algebraic expression बोलते हैं. Okay. 2 point, what is algebraic expression? Now third is like term and unlike term. Like term and unlike term. We already discussed like term and unlike term also. Again, recap. For example, 6x square and 7x square. These are known as like term. The numbers, যিকোনো number যদি our variable to same থাকে. Here, what is our variable? X square. Here also variable is x square. Whenever our variable is same, যেতিয়া our variable to same থাকিব, variable same, then we can say these two are in like term. যেতিয়া আমি ক'ব পাৰিম কি এই দুটা কি হ'ল আছে like term. These two are like terms. And when our variable is different, for our example we know like term, যেনেকে this is এটা হৈ গ'ল আৰু এটা লৈ লৈছো suppose x square yz and 10 yz x square. এটো এটা like term because variables are same. Here also x square, here is also x square, y, z, z. All are same. That's why it is called like terms. And when the numbers are like this, when the numbers are like this, for example, expressions are like this. For example, x and suppose this is 9y. Here variables are different. Here variable x, here variable is y. So variables are different. When the variables are different, then we can say that these are unlike terms. Then we come there to unlike terms. Okay. Another example, unlike terms. For example, 10x square y and it will equal 10x y square. Here also variables are different. So I have x দুটা আছে x square, but here only 1x. Here y, here y is 2, means 2 y's are there. So বেলেগ বেলেগ হয় এইটো, ঠিক আছে? So this is again the example of unlike term. So I hope you understood what's the difference between like terms and unlike term. Okay. So these things are cleared in your class, already cleared. These all things are already cleared in your class. Okay, I just recap it, I just remind you. So do one thing, write definition of number one, algebraic expression. Check spelling, okay, is it correct or not? Algebraic expression. Number two, what is constraint, coefficient and constant, whatever. Coefficient, C-I-E-N-T, coefficient. What is variable? What is variable? And number four, definition of like term. Like term. For unlike term. Unlike term. Okay. So this is your first task. You have to write in your copy and show it to me. Definition. What is algebraic expression? You have to write in your copy. যোনটো তোমালোকৰ weekly test copy আছে তাতে লিখিবা। মই যোনটো test দিছো সেইটো কৰিব লাগিব তোমালোকে। This Wednesday I gave 10, right? So সেইটো কৰিব first, তাৰপিছত next week কাৰণে কি হ'ব? এইটো definition লিখিবা। আৰু দিম মই, but this is first definition. This is number one. Algebraic expression definition লিখিবা with example. With example, we already discussed. Coefficient কি হয়, variable কি হয়, you have example লিখিবা। First write definition and then example. Again, like term and unlike term, write definition. All these things are in your book. Okay? So from book, just copy it. Try to understand also. So like term and unlike term with example. If you will not write example, I will not give you marks. Understood? Okay.